Hello to the world, this is Phil speaking, and you're with me at our family-run tea tree house, which used to be a tea shop and cafe, and we've just converted in January 2024 to accommodation for 2 or 1. And I'm going to do 2 videos. I'm going to do one showing you the living space indoors and one outdoors on our land. And this is the indoor one, but this is the view that you'll get. So come along with me and explore 64 square meters of indoor living space. Now, what you'll notice quickly is that we've got wide sliding glass doors. Let's just do a circuit first. So there you go, you can see the lawn behind the bed. There's the bed. Air is my wife, and she learned how to make the swans, so you'll have 2 swans welcoming you. Mosquito net. We don't have aircon because we live in the traditional rhythms of Thailand, so we have the lovely airflow. We've got ceiling fans, 4 ceiling fans, and a big movable fan you can see in the background there. There's your comfortable armchairs for 2, looking out on the view that we started the video with. And a nice Buddha in the background. We have lots of knickknacks and local artifacts and all kinds of things. That's your breakfast bar area, so you can have your breakfast there if you want. You can have dinner there if you want. And our deal, our tea shop experience, staying here, comes with breakfast and dinner, which Air cooks. Nobody forgets Air's food. So, and that's the dining table, and then there's more land and garden area behind, and bookshelf, magazines, and we're back to the view that you get. So let's have a quick look indoors, shall we? So in here, now I love books and I love learning. So if you like books, I've got lots of different books here. I've got sports books, music books, travel books, Thailand books, lots of health books, Complete Earth Medicine Handbook, Healing Foods, Herbal Handbook, Pilates exercises, Ayurveda, the China Study, diet-wise, all kinds of books there. And there's my jazz cat and 2 mango wood vases, and mango wood, and here's another mango wood vase, and they never stop smelling beautifully. Here's it's an African style drum, but it's bought in Thailand. I'm not very good at drumming, but if you are, you can play the drums while you're here. There's the magazines, and they're mainly well-being magazines from Australia, golf magazines, and travel in Thailand magazines, mainly speaking. Okay, you can see this is our dining table, so that's the main eating space. It's also very good for a workspace. Breakfast bar. Now, what you'll find, if you like your music, good old CDs, eh? So I've got lots of music, and that's just one selection. And in there are hundreds more. I've got African roots. I've got a sister who lives in Australia, and I've been there 21 times, so that's a big country in my life. So you just play your own music, unless you want to listen to the bird song. This is our old fridge, and we'll be swapping it for a slightly smaller one. These are the armchairs, which I'll show you the view that you get in those in a minute. This is our little knickknacks. Down here, at the moment, I see backgammon, latak, and an English language word game, but I've got Scrabble and a few other games and packs of cards. So you can play games while you're here as well. You will read magazines, read books, play games, play the drum. Oh, and you can play the guitar, which is down there. You might have to tune it. Jamaican colour lights at my insistence. And if you like ukulele, you can play the ukulele. So let's just take you around here and show you the view of the armchairs and the bed. So that gives you a good idea of your living space. You might be wondering where the toilet is. I'm going to show you. And we have an al fresco shower as well. That's a little bit messy back there. We haven't completely cleaned that up yet. But that's a little bit of a bar area. We've got an oven you can use, kettle, you have fridge. So let's look outside. This is the back door, and there's your wash basins. 2 wash basins, you can have 1 each if you want. Now these teak trees represent the boundary of our land. So I'm just going to show you the whole bathroom area, and then that will be the end of this video, and then I'll do another one for the land. So look out for the land one as well. Now look at this feature, eh? There's your mirror. So you can, and in the mornings, there I am. This is Phil. In the mornings you can, the sun comes up behind me. So I'm actually looking, so yeah, the morning sun may reflect into the mirror. So that's your wash area. Now out here we had 2 toilets, so I'll just show you one of them. Nothing special, but nice and clean. The men's toilet. If you don't know what that thing is on the wall, that's your squirter. That's what I call them. It's like a Thai style bidet. Much cleaner than toilet paper. So a few plants out here. Now out here, this is your al fresco shower. So you don't have to get wet coming out here. This is all completely connected, and you keep dry even in the rainy season, which is beautiful. Don't think to not come in the rainy season. It's very fresh, very clean, and usually you get lots of sun. So this is our al fresco shower. Let me take you in here. Not very wide angle lens. So there's the floor, and it's a hot shower, but I'd recommend cold showers, especially in the winter. Gives you lots of energy. And then basically you'll see the sun there, but I want to show you, you can shower under the stars. Neat, eh? So that's pretty much a tour of the indoor bit. I'll just quickly show you a sneak preview, and that's the rest of the land. There's a nice lawn area. You can sit on there if you want. There's our mini lake. Let me take you back indoors. See if there's anything I've forgotten to show you. So there you go. There's my golfer, Shivaz Irons he's called. I am a bit of a golfer. Oh, I may as well show you this. Mr. Philip K, hole in one, April 5th, 2016. Feels like yesterday, but that's 8 years ago now. That's a friend's creative output. That's my book that I've written. So if I'm here, very happy to talk to you about travel, spirituality, education, psychology, human condition, the mad world, how to stay healthy and happy in our world. Come here and stay. That'll keep you happy. And anything. I've been in Thailand 33 years. I came here 33 years ago to travel, and I loved it so much I never went home. So there you have it. I was in Bangkok 10 years. I went back to London to study a year and a half to do my master's in teaching. And when I came back, I moved to Chiang Mai 2002. So this is my 22nd year in Chiang Mai. Beautiful place. If you've never been to Chiang Mai, you will love Chiang Mai. I call it an adventure playground surrounded by a natural wonderland. The only thing it hasn't got is the sea. So there you go, friends. This is our tea tree house. If you like the sound of this, if you like the look of it, then we take bookings on Airbnb, and you're probably looking at this on Airbnb or my website actually, or my YouTube channel. But you can book up quite easily. And as I say, the price includes breakfast and dinner by Air, and Air's cooking is wonderful. I'm very lucky to be married to her and enjoy her food. You come and stay with us and you can enjoy the food. I'll talk about the surrounding area in the land video, because there's lots to explore around here. But I think you get a sense of the peace. I think we could finish up where we started, eh? Come and visit us. 2 nights, 3 nights, a week. Just enjoy chilling here and slow down. Plug into the nature, recharge your batteries, and tune into the fast pace of Thailand countryside. Hope to see you. Look forward to hosting you. Goodbye.